Yes, welcome back to another episode. This is going to be a bit of a blast from the past. It's video from back in April when I was stripping down the XYZ switch. I actually honestly forgot that. I actually honestly thought that I've lost it. Hopefully this will be a bit of, hopefully that will help someone with the same issue that I had. I was able to restore the XYZ switch to a point where it's still working. As if you don't know, I'm using the car for it'll be over 6 months now, and so far it's still working okay. Very straightforward. I will try to give as much as information during the video as I can. It might be fairly long and boring, but I didn't find any videos detailing of what should be done and how to open it and so on and so on. So I hope it will be helpful for someone. Well, if you like what you've seen, don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy the watch. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. This time we're starting slightly different. I am, as you can see, underneath the car. Plan is that I am going to disconnect or dismount this little connector. So this is this part there. This is that part there. What we're gonna disconnect. This is a XYZ switch. What it does, it basically changes the gears on the automatic transmission. This one, so far I know, is damaged. So recommendation is to replace it, but what I'm gonna try to do is, oh, there you go. Look in here. Hey, this is XYZ switch. So when we're gonna take this out, they're technically once-off parts, so you shouldn't be opening them. But I've seen a couple of videos online where lads are stripping it clean and then putting it back together. So what I'm gonna try to do the same, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, an hour later, and I have this little bollocks disconnected. Not gonna lie, lads, it wasn't easy. Just basically no room. There's no room for hands. So next, okay, now I need to disconnect this cable. As you can see, there isn't really much space. That's my hand as far as she can reach. Oh, fuck's sake. Never easy, lads, isn't it? Never easy. Right, I'll give you an update in a few minutes. Oh, I've got it out. Hour and a half. Jesus Christ, that was a struggle. Oh, okay. Let's go. So there isn't that many videos online on how to open them. No, come back. There is actually loads of videos online how to open them, and unfortunately the only way is to drill the rivets. Yeah, so we're gonna do just that. Just need to get gloves. Hold on. Small drill bit. Okay. Right. So first thing, we will clean it. Just multi-purpose bleach cleaner, that's it. Just take all the dirt off. So you see, you don't see, but see the way there's a notch on the top. So before I open it, I'm gonna mark this position. Okay. Right. So this is marked now. Okay, so next thing, we're gonna drill the rivets. Drill the rivets. Yep. Okay, so you drill it from the top. The rivets are popping. Okay. The rivets are out. The moment of truth. So I don't see anything wrong with it. Oh, I see. Okay. I think this is the problem. There you go. So the two terminals on the side are coated with some shit. I don't know, we'll try to fix it. Okay, so basically all you have to do if you take it out, so you see these yolks on the top, these tops. All I did, I just used sandpaper to sand it down because there was some buildup on the surface of them and that was losing a connection. So hopefully that was it. Now we might just band it a little bit more. Now guys, if you are going to do it, make sure you're gonna be extremely delicate because they can snap so easy. That should be it. Just be it. Would that be that simple? I don't know. I don't know. Right. Fuck's sake, this place. So inside I'm gonna use a silicone lubricant. Why? I don't know, it was recommended. No, I know why. It's because of the moisture. You know what? Fuck it. Let's put it back. There's only one way to find out whether that was it. I think this is. I think that's it. Now, how am I gonna put it together? Okay, so for those who don't know what I was doing, I don't have rivets long enough to put the assembly back together, so I thought that I might use the screws, and the screws that I found are perfect size. They go in, but they were just too long, so I just need to cut them a little bit, and now this should be all smooth sailing, as they say. Okay, so the rule when you put assembly like this is quite simple. If you put a bolt on that side, you need to put another one on the other side, opposite the other side, so it will balance the compression. Hand tied only, not too much force. It's plastic against aluminum. I have a visitor. Hey you! Hey you! There he is. Little helper. Okay, so I don't know if that's gonna work. If that's not gonna work, I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, I'm not gonna do it today. It's too late. I will put it back tomorrow. Okay, so for now, the assembly is back together, but it will work. We'll see. Anyways, guys, again, thank you very much, all of you too, for watching the video. They're not exciting as some of the other ones, but look, this is life. Anyway, see you on the next one.